Good morning, children. Take out your course book, page number 8. Today we are going to learn about blends. Today we are going to learn blends. What is blend? Look here. Blends. What is blend? When two or more consonants come together and make a sound sharing their individual sounds, it is called a blend. Look here. When any two consonants, only consonants, not vowels. So when any two consonants come together, look here, B is consonant, L is consonant. Here C, L, F, L, G, L, P, L, S, L, B, R, C, R, D, F, G, P, T. All these are only consonants. Is there any vowels? No, there are no vowels. Only two consonants together and form a sound is called blend. Okay, children? When any one, two or more consonants, only consonants, two or more consonants together and make a sound is called blend. Okay, children? See here. Any is vowels or consonants? Yes. Only consonants. Any two or more consonants together and share their sound is called a blend. Is called a blend. Look here. B and L both are consonants. What is this sound? B L, bl, bl. C L, cl. F L, fl. G L, gl. P L, pl. S L, sl. So B sounds b, L sound l. Both are sharing their sounds here. B L, bl. B L, bl. C sounds k, k. L sounds l. K plus l, kla. The sound is kla. So two consonants together and sharing their sounds, it is called a blend. It is called a blend. So look here. When the blend comes in the beginning of the word, so see here, B-L-A-C-K, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Here, B-L-A-S-T, blast. B-L-O-C-K, block. So, what is the blend here? B-L. And where is it? It is beginning of the word. Beginning of the word. These blends are called initial blends. These blends are called initial blend. Initial. Initial means starting. Initial means starting. Starting blend. Starting blends are called initial blends. Starting blends are called initial blends. Okay, children? See here. Black, blast, block. Here what is the blend? C-L, cl, class, click, clock. So, initial blend, clock. Next, F-L, plus L, fl, flack, flow, flute, flute. Initial blend. G-L, G plus L, gl, glide. Tell me. All of you repeat after me. Glide. Globe, glow. P, L, P plus L, pl, plate, play, please. S-L, sl. S sounds L sounds L. Sl. Slate. Slip. Slow. All these are the initial blends. Blends means only two or more consonants together and form a sound is called blend. BR. B sounds B. R sounds R. Br. Br. Brain. Bright. Brown. Brain. Bright. Brown. C sounds K. K. R sounds R. Cray. Crane. Crow. Cry. Listen everyone. Crane. Crow. Cry. What is the blend here? CR. 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 Initial blend. D sounds D. D sounds D. Dr. 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 Draw. Drop. Drum. Draw. Drop. Drum. F sounds R sounds R. Fr. The blend sound is FR is the blend and blown sound is fr. Free. Friend. Fruit. Free. Repeat after me. Friend. Fruit. Okay children. What is the sound of G? G. R. Great. Green. Grow. Great. Green. Grow. Okay, next. P sounds P. P. R sounds R. Pr. Prawn. Pray. Proud. Prawn. Pray. Proud. Okay children. See the next one. T sounds T. T. R sounds R. What is the blend sound? Tra. Track. Train. Trim. Track. Train. Trim. Okay children. Turn the page everyone. See here. Yes. What is the sound of yes? What is the sound of C? K. K. What is the blend? SC. What is the sound of this blend? Sk. Sk. Scan. Scoop. Scope. So both S and C are very good consonants. Scan. Scoop. Scope. Repeat after me everyone. See the next one. S sound. K sound. K. See here. Here C sound is K. K. Here K sounds K. K. Stress and say K. Skate. Skate. Sk. The blend sound is K. Skate. Skin. Skip. Skate. Skin. Skip. Okay. Next. M also consonant. S sounds. M sounds. Sm. Sm. Blend sound is sm. Small. Smell. Smile. Small. Smell. Smile. Okay. See the next one. N also consonant, no? What is the sound of N? Yes, and sn. 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 Snack. Snail. Snow. Snack. Snail. Snow. Again. Pa sound. P. P. Spell. Spill. Spoon. Spell. Spill. Spoon. S sound. T sound. T. Star. Step. Stop. Star. Step. Stop. See the next one. So S sound. W va. W va. Swa. Swa. Swan. Sweet. Swim. Swim. Sweet. Swan. Okay children, all these are the starting blends. So these are called initial blends. Initial blends means starting blends. Okay children, come to next page. See here, SCR. More than 2 consonants are there. What is the sound of S? C sound K. R sound R. Skr. So we should add these 3 sounds and say the sound. Skr. Skr. Scrap. Screen. Screw. Scrap. Screen. Screw. SPL. P. L. Spl. S sound S. P sound P. L sound L. Spl. Spl. Splash. Spleen. Split. Splash. Spleen. Split. Okay. Let's come. SPR. Sp. R. Spr. 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 Spray. Spread. Spring. Spray. Spread. Spring. Okay. SQU. Q also consonant. You are here, see. S. Q. Qua. U. Square. 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 Squirrel. Square. Square. Squirrel. Okay. See the next one. Straw. STR. Straw. Straw. Street. Street. Straw. Street. Street. Okay. All these are the starting blends. That means all these are initial blends. Initial blends. Come to next page. Look here children. Here I am reading the spellings. Hand. Kind. Stand. What is the blend here? N-D. N-D. So here blend is ND. Where is the ND here? Very good. Last of the word. End of the word. So look here. When the blend comes at the end of the word, then it is called terminal blend. Terminal blend. That is called terminal blend. Terminal. If the blend comes at the last of the end of the word, then it is called terminal blend. Shall we learn about these blends? N-D. Nd. Hand. Kind. Stand. So end of the word. S-K. Tusk. Mask. Task. MP. Lamp. Pump. Lump. LT. Salt. Felt. Melt. Lt. Lt. N-T. Nt. Hunt. Vent. Plant. Hunt. Vent. Plant. LK. Ilk. LK. Ilk. Milk. Silk. Bulk. Milk. Silk. Bulk. R. R. D. 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 R. Bird. Bird. Here R is silent, no? Bird. We are pronouncing like this. Bird. Card. Word. Bird. Card. Word. See the next one. LD. Child. Girl. Wild. Child. Gold. Wild. ST. Best. Cost. Rest. Best. Cost. Rest. FT. Gift. Gift. Left. Soft. Gift. Left. Soft. Arc. Rk. Rk. Jerk. Park. Work. Jerk. Park. Work. NG. Hang. Long. song. Hang long song. NK, BANK, bank, pink, sink. Bang, pink, sink. PT, kept, slept, wept. Kept, slept, wept. LP, gull, help, pull. Gull, help, pull. Okay. In these words, blend comes at the end of the word. Blends comes at the end of the word. So, if blend comes at the end of the word, then these are called terminal blends. These are called terminal blends. If the blend comes starting of the word, then they are called initial blends. What is blend? When two or more consonants together and sharing their sound is called a blend. Initial blend, terminal blend. Initial blend means starting of the word. Terminal blend means end of the word. Very good, children. So you have to read these 4 pages. Okay? Okay? Read the spellings. We will meet again in the next class. Bye.